Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a paper glider. First, take a standard sheet of paper, about 8.5 by 11 inches. Fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to establish a clear center crease. Next, fold the top two corners inward so their edges align perfectly with that center line. Press down firmly on all your folds to make them very sharp and precise. This initial step is crucial for the glider's overall stability and flight path. Now, let's form the main body. Take the newly formed top point and fold it down so its tip touches the bottom edge of the two previous corner folds. This will create a horizontal line across your paper. Then, fold the new top corners inward once more, ensuring they meet the center crease. You should now have a smaller, pointed triangle at the very top. Remember, precision in these folds directly impacts your glider's aerodynamics. With the front section complete, it's time to shape the body and wings. Fold the entire paper in half along that very first center crease you made, bringing the two sides together. Now, fold down one wing, creating a straight, crisp line from the nose all the way to the tail. Repeat this exact step for the other wing, making sure it mirrors the first one perfectly. Both wings should be symmetrical and have a slight upward angle for lift. For the final touches, let's refine your glider. Check that the wingspan is roughly 6 inches from one wingtip to the other. For added stability, create small, upward folds about 1/4 inch deep along the back edges of both wings. Gently curve the nose of your glider slightly upward. This helps with lift. Now, give your glider a gentle, level throw. Observe its flight path and make tiny adjustments to the wings or tail for the perfect glide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.